Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Litematica files. First, ensure you have the Litematica mod installed correctly for your Minecraft version. This usually involves using a mod loader like Fabric or Forge. Once installed, Litematica allows you to load and display schematics directly in your game world, making complex builds much simpler to manage and replicate. It's a powerful tool for any builder. To load a schematic, first place your Litematic files into the correct schematics folder within your Minecraft directory. Then, open the Litematica in-game menu, usually by pressing the M key. Navigate to the Load Schematics option. From there, you'll see a list of all available schematics. Simply select the one you wish to load into your world. Once loaded, you'll need to create a placement for your schematic. Access the placement menu to adjust its position, rotation, and orientation. You can easily move it around your world, rotate it by 90-degree increments, or even mirror it along an axis. Setting the origin point helps align it perfectly with your existing structures, ensuring accuracy. With your schematic placed, it now acts as a transparent guide, showing you exactly where to place each block. The material list feature is incredibly helpful for gathering all the necessary resources. You can also toggle render layers to build your structure one layer at a time, making large projects manageable. Always double-check your work against the guide.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.